Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a puzzle genre called Spiral Galaxies puzzle. This puzzle comes into regional division category. Excuse me. This puzzle comes into region division category, and this puzzle was featured on LMI Logic Masters India from one of the contests called Puzzle Ramayana contest, authored by Swarup Gogilam and myself. So this puzzle was featured in the contest, and the contest had many great puzzles authored by Swarup as well. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. The contest was region division puzzles and made in India innovation puzzle. So all the puzzles that were made in India, that were invented in India, were also featured there. So I would really suggest you to check out the contest page. I will add the link in the description below for the contest page, as well as the link of the online interface of the puzzle that we are solving today. So coming on to the puzzle, Spiral Galaxies is a really fun genre. So as you can see, the main aim of the puzzle is to divide the cells into regions, right? And as you can see, there are some black dots in the grid. Some of the black dots are in the center of the cell. Some of the black dots are between center of the two cells, and some of the black dots are centered between the four cells, center of the four cells, right? So all of these black dots are called galaxies, right? These are just nothing but galaxies, and we have to divide all the white cells, right, into regions that will connect with the galaxies in just such a way that each of the galaxies are symmetric to 180-degree rotational regions, right? So what do I mean by that? Let us assume that okay, as you can see, this is one of the galaxy, and it is 180-degree rotational symmetric galaxy, right? It is, the region is rotational symmetric, so even if you rotate this region 180 degrees, it forms the same orientation and same shape, right? So that is what is a 180-degree rotational symmetric. So all of the galaxies, when divided into regions, so every galaxy will have some white cells in it. Not necessarily all the galaxies should have white cells. You can have galaxies, single cell galaxy, but still it is a 180-degree rotational symmetric galaxy, right? So after dividing all of the white cells into regions, having each region having exactly one galaxy, right? So each region can have exactly one galaxy, and that region should be 180-degree rotational symmetric. That is what is the puzzle is all about, right? It's a very good puzzle, a very fun genre, I would say. And sometimes spiral galaxy puzzles can be very tough. They can be very hard to solve, and you will have some very narrow logic paths, but when you get that, it will be very easy and a smooth flow. So let us start this puzzle. Spiral galaxies is very difficult to have a theme in it, right? Spiral galaxy puzzles, having a theme puzzle in a spiral galaxy is really difficult, because it is very difficult to form the regions in such a way that you even have the themes in the black circles. But as you can see, the theme here, it's a very good theme, I would say. A box, 4 into 4 cell box here at the top left of the grid, and all the other galaxies at the bottom right and bottom right. So such kind of puzzles are very difficult to create. So all of the puzzles from the contest are really well themed and excellent solving paths. So I would really suggest you to try the contest now. You can download the puzzle PDF at leisure and solve it whenever you would like to. So now coming on to the puzzle, let us just mark the galaxies, the borders where the galaxies cannot connect, right, or cannot go, right, as you can see here. Now if at all this galaxy takes this cell, it should have taken this cell as well, but this is already a galaxy, right? So each cell, each region will have only one galaxy. So we are just marking the borders here. As you can see, this galaxy cannot take any cell below it, so it cannot take any cell above it, because of the 180-degree rotational symmetric. Now you can see this galaxy, as it cannot take any cell below it, you can just mark all the cells above it as a block, and towards the right also it cannot take any cells, so towards the left also it will be a block, right? It will be blocked. So I am just marking all the rotational symmetric cells where the galaxy cannot go further, and Okay, so with that we have done this, and now let us see where can we start the puzzle. Sometimes the start is very difficult. You have to exactly look for the exact cell that will help you start the puzzle. Spiral galaxies can be tough because finding the exact cell sometimes is very difficult, right? So in easier puzzles, you just have to connect the regions and which cell will take the which region. It is really easy to see that way because there will be many more galaxies, but you have only few number of galaxies here. You have even galaxies more than the galaxies that are shown here. You will have more than those in the grids. So let us see if we can find the exact cell where only one galaxy can take that cell, right? That is what you have to look out for in a tougher galaxy, spiral galaxies puzzle. Look out for a cell that can be taken only by a single galaxy. Is that possible here? Let us see. Now you can see this cell, particularly this cell can only be taken by a single galaxy. All of these galaxies cannot take this cell, because if this cell is taken by, okay, if this cell is taken by this galaxy, it will again have to take this cell as well, but this is already a galaxy, so none of these galaxies can take this cell. All of these galaxies, as you can see, these ones are way too far, and whenever you have such case that a cell is far from the galaxy, with the more number of cells towards its opposite direction, so in the opposite direction you have only 4 cells remaining, and in this direction it is 6 cells, which means that this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy because it will just cross out of the grid, right? So you have to look out for such galaxies and eliminate those cells. So all of these galaxies, as you can see, are cannot connect this cell because it will go outside the grid in the other half of the region, or on the outside opposite side it will go outside the grid, right? So the only galaxy that will take this cell is this galaxy, right? There is no other way that any other galaxy can take this cell, which means that, okay, so which means that if this cell is taken by this galaxy, right, this cell would have to be taken by this galaxy, because we know that it is 180-degree rotational symmetric. So if this cell is taken by this galaxy, the 180-degree cell 180-degree cell of this cell is this, right? Which means that this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy. And is there a way to connect this cell? Can we go this way? Okay, it is still possible to go this way, but the moment we go this way, this cell will also have to go the same way, right? Is that possible? Let us see. So if this cell and this cell are equal, or of the same galaxies, if this comes inside 3 cells, this has to come inside 3 cells, right? If it goes down one cell, it has to go up the other way, right? Which means that coming this way is not at all possible, which means that this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy only this way. Okay, yeah. So how many cells we have drawn here? 6 cells, right? So the same 6 cells will have to be drawn here, and now this line will have to connect, or this cell will have to connect to this galaxy only this way, right? Okay, only this way, there is no other way here, which means that all these 3 cells are of the same galaxy. And is there anything else? Okay, so that much is done. Now as we have blocked this cell here, block this region cells here, these cells will also be blocked, and these are the galaxies here with no extra with no extra cells here, right? And okay, now these cells can go any way they want. They can come down and go, or okay, they can go anyway, because too much of space here. So this galaxy can form any shape here with 180-degree rotational symmetric. So let us see if we get anything else here. Oh, I found out one more cell which can be taken by only one galaxy. Excellent, excellent. And why is that helpful? Let us see. Okay, before that we'll go one other way. Now as you can see, there are few things that you always have to keep in mind while solving spiral galaxies puzzle, right? That will help you to solve faster. Now if you see this cell for this galaxy, can this cell be taken by this galaxy? No, because the opposite cell is already another galaxy, which means that this cell can be taken by either this galaxy, or it can go up and take by any other galaxy or this galaxy, right? Okay, so always you have to look out for such cells which eliminates a possibility of some galaxies because of the opposite direction, right? So that is the most important thing here. Now coming on to the single cell that can be taken by only one galaxy, can you see this cell? This cell can be taken by only one galaxy if I am right, because it cannot be taken by this galaxy. This will have to be, then there will be a cell somewhere here, right? So 1 2 1 2, this cell. Then if you take this cell as for this galaxy, this cell will also have to be for this galaxy, and which is not possible. There is no way this cell is coming out, right? This cell can be taken by this galaxy? No, because if this is the case, this cell also will have to be by this galaxy, and this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy as well, because then it will be this cell again, right? Okay, not by this galaxy as well, because it will go outside the grid. Not by this galaxy as well, this cell. Not by this galaxy as well, because it will go somewhere up, but it is not possible, right? You are only closing the regions here. You are closing the path here for this galaxy to go up, because both of these lines will be connected, which means that this cell can only be taken by this galaxy, right? And we can mark that here now. I am just marking the rotational symmetric blocks here, right? Okay. And now why this was helpful is, this was very important progress here in the puzzle was because of this cell now. Now this cell was taken by this galaxy as well, and this galaxy as well, right? Now there are only 3 galaxies that can take this cell, and now this galaxy is eliminated because this cell would have to be of the same galaxy now. And you can eliminate this cell as well, because this galaxy cannot go up now. The path is blocked. It's restricted by this galaxy, which means that this cell will only have to be taken by this galaxy. And okay, that is good. I can see something very good logic here. Now if you see, now this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy, because the moment you make sure that this cell is taken by this galaxy, this cell will also have to be of the same region, which means that you can mark that this cell will be not taken by this galaxy, and this cell has to go up somewhere, which means that this cell also won't be taken by this galaxy, and now this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy, and we have formed a rectangle here, 180-degree rotational symmetric again. And why have I marked here? This was not a marking here. Okay, and now because of that, this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy because of this cell now, which means that this cell will also be have to taken by this galaxy, and we can mark that here as well. Okay, we can mark the blocks here as well. Okay, now as you can see, this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy only, because this galaxy cannot take this cell, or else you'll have to make sure that this cell will be taken going outside the grid, which means that this is the region now. Okay, we have formed the region here, and now this is also closed here. Okay, now this cell can be taken by a few galaxies. The bigger one, you know, the bigger galaxy here cannot take this cell, because the moment it takes this cell also would have to be of the same galaxy, and there is no way that both of these paths will be same, right? No, 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is not possible. This is outside the grid for this galaxy, right? This cell is outside the grid on the other end, which means that this cell cannot be taken by the bigger galaxy, not by this galaxy as well, because you won't have the path going upwards for this galaxy, neither by this galaxy, because again the path 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. This cell will have to be by this galaxy. So which means that the only galaxy taking this cell is this galaxy, right? And with that we complete the region for this galaxy. Excellent. Okay. Now if you see this cell, that's a really good logic here. This cell cannot be taken by this galaxy because the opposite end is not of the same region, and this cell cannot be taken by the bigger galaxy also, because then this galaxy is blocking the path, which means that this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy, and this cell also will be have to be taken by this galaxy, and which means that both of these cells also will be of the same galaxy, right? So it is something like this. Superb. And we can now close the region because there is no way you can extend now. And now if you see, this cell will have to be taken by these galaxies only, the bigger one, so it has to go this way. But we are not supposed to close here. We are not sure if this cell is also taken by this galaxy, so you cannot directly close this region here. Not possible, because then you will break the puzzle sometimes. It is very, I would say, tedious, a very dangerous process here. You might break the puzzle. Now if you see this cell, it should be taken by this galaxy only. There is no way you can go with this or this galaxy. So if this things comes down, this thing has to go up. Okay, and you can close this region here. And now this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy, right? Or else you will have the same here, but it's already a galaxy, which means this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy, and you can close the region here again. Okay. Now if you see this cell, excellent. Why am I taking this cell? Because of this big region, big galaxy having a galaxy at the opposite direction of the same 180-degree rotational cell, right? Which means that this cell cannot be taken by this galaxy and none of the galaxies above, because you will somehow close the path here by the bigger galaxy, which means the only galaxy taking this cell is this galaxy. And okay, which means that this cell also will be taken by this galaxy, not by this one, because you are already closing the grid here. And this is done. Now if you can see, the only way to go is this way. Superb. And now this cell is of the opposite direction of this galaxy. For this cell is not this, so this cell also will be taken by only this galaxy. Superb. Okay, this is done. And these two cells are of course by this galaxy, so these two cells also will be the same here, and we can close the loop here. Now this cell will be taken by this galaxy, so we can close this also. Okay, all of the upper regions are closed here because of the lower regions, and we are so okay. As you can see, you can you can close this, which means this cell will have to be taken by this galaxy. The same here, we can close this now, close this as well, and you need to make sure that this cell is taken by one of the galaxy, and it cannot be this cell. And as you can see, this is also closed here. It can be this cell as well. Okay, and now this cell has to be taken by only this galaxy. It cannot go with this galaxy, which means that this is the way. Okay, now this cell can be only taken by this galaxy. These two galaxies are way above, and the other end will go out of the grid, which means that both of these will be the logic, and we can mark a close here. Okay, and you can see all of these cells will be taken by this galaxy, not this one, because again it will go outside the grid now. So it is something like this, I think. Okay, and again both of these will be like this. Okay, that's good. We are able to complete this puzzle now. Sorry. and this will be closed here, and with that we complete this spiral galaxy puzzle. What a excellent puzzle this is. As you can see, the bigger galaxy here, it is 180-degree rotational symmetric, right? So what, even if you rotate this whole region 180-degree, it will form the same orientation and same shape, and all of the spiral galaxies, all of the galaxies, as you can see, will have the same logic here. It is rotational symmetric. So what a great puzzle this was. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. I would really suggest you again to check out the contest page authored by Swaroop and myself. And Swaroop is really an excellent author. His puzzles are really excellent, and he has invented a new puzzle type called regional loop. I would really suggest you to check out that regional loop puzzle also. The regional loop puzzle is there in the contest page, I would say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.